everyone, and we are on the bus again to Port Louis, the capital. So we are at the bus stand, and something I saw here. It was built in 1765. Welcome back to my channel. See the view. It's a mountain just, and we are going by this bus to Maibu, and this is the bus we'll be taking to Maibu. This is Mahatma Gandhi station. So this station is dedicated to this train station. Traveling to Blue Bay, and I met a gentleman. His name is Joshua, and you won't believe he's from Kerala. At 7:30 from our house, and just now we reached. Good morning everyone, and we are on the bus again to Port Louis, the capital. And this is how it looks in the morning. So we are at the bus stand, and something I saw here. It was built in 1765. So this is something very old. 1765. And this is the bus stand here. There's another one over there. Another one there. This is the bus stand. We are waiting for the bus. See, there's another one. You know, when was it built? Welcome back to my channel. See the view. It's a mountain just, and we are going by this bus to Maibu. It's, you see this spelling Mahebou, but they pronounce it as Maibu, and this is the bus we'll be taking to Maibu. So this is the inside of the bus. So friends, this is the bus, and have a USB charger here for my mobile, and nice air condition. Not only that, you know, there is a USB, and if you want to stop the bus, just press this button. So here everyone, they press this button and they wait, and when the bus stops, then they get down. see the traffic island. Such a beautiful traffic island. This is the highway. Full traffic island. And what a discipline. You can see there's no honking. And see the discipline. Yeah. You see, this is Mahatma Gandhi station. Can you see that? The freedom fighter. This is Mahatma Gandhi station. So this station is dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi. That's a train station. And see the lane discipline. Never seen. Only in Singapore I saw the lane discipline, and here crisscrossing or anything, no honking. All office area. Traveling to Blue Bay, and I met a gentleman. His name is Joshua, and you won't believe he's from Kerala. And he came here in 1997, 1998, and he has become a citizen. And he says this place is very beautiful, but it is very similar to Kerala. Right? Thoda Kerala jaisa hai. And he speaks good Hindi, English, Malayalam, and he was on the phone, you know, and I heard him talking in Malayalam. Then I came to know that he is a Malayali. Then I asked him, Malayalam. I know Malayalam, but not much. I told my wife knows to read and write. And he's from Trivandrum. Actually, he's from Trivandrum, and settled here with his family. And here he says everyone, they live peacefully. He's a Christian, so there's a church here. So अच्छा इधर से है दिख रहा है क्या? क्या चर्च का नाम क्या है? इसका नाम मेरे को पता नहीं। लेकिन वो चर्च जा रहा है अपने दूसरा चर्च है। हाँ ज़्यादा है, चर्च ज़्यादा है और एक जगह पे है चर्च। ये जगह पे मैं उतरने का जगह है वो मतलब माया है का माना भी एक साथ है। अच्छा दूसरा जगह पर रहता है इसका जी वहाँ चर्च वाला है सब कुछ तमिल मंदिर। हाँ वो तो देखा सब जगह है। टेम्पल ज़्यादा है, मंदिर ज़्यादा है, मॉस्क भी है। उसको सब रहने के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। It's very nice to stay here, beautiful. So thank you Joshua, thank you. And people will see this, है ना, सब लोग देखेगा ये और देखेगा एक केरला वाला भी केरला वाला सब जगह पे है। लेकिन मैं गुजराती नहीं देखा इधर लेकिन है दूसरा जगह पे लेकिन बहुत कम है। ओके थैंक यू। Yes, he is getting down now here. अगर वो बस मिलेगा तो अच्छा है। ओके बाय 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 टेक केयर। So Malayali guy, bye bye. So like this I make friends. I just sit and he was talking in Malayalam. There he goes. He's saying bye. He made a call to, he was speaking to someone and he was speaking in Malayalam. So he made a call to Kerala and he was speaking to someone. And as soon as I heard that, I said, oh, you're a Malayali guy here. And so friends from Kerala, if at all you're watching my video, you will love this small conversation between me and a guy from Trivandrum. His name was Joshua. I hope you will love that. Yeah, really. taken another bus from here to Blue Bay. So there's some bus here. Let us see which goes to Blue Bay.